Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. We all know that Bitcoin is the fundamental axis of this ecosystem, and little by little options have been created to scale it. Projects like Lightning Network took the first steps. However, sidechains are offering even more flexibility for smart contracts, tokens, and decentralized applications. In this video, we're going to look at two projects that are betting on merging Bitcoin with the DeFi and Web3 ecosystems. The first project is Core. Core is a hybrid Layer 1 blockchain created in 2023 that combines the best of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Core is a hybrid blockchain because it uses the Bitcoin security model by validating transactions with proof of work, ensuring that transactions are immutable and resistant to attacks. And additionally, it is compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine. Core allows the execution of smart contracts programmed in Solidity, the same programming language used in Ethereum. This makes it easy to create decentralized applications without the need to develop a completely new infrastructure. Core extends the capabilities of Bitcoin while preserving security and decentralization. Core's main innovation is its novel consensus mechanism, which they called Satoshi Plus. This hybrid consensus model merges delegated proof of work, delegated proof of stake, and non-custodial Bitcoin staking. In delegated proof of work, Core leverages the security of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin miners can contribute to the security of the Core blockchain by allocating a portion of their computing power to the network. During the process of mining a new Bitcoin block, the miner can add information to the OP return section of the Bitcoin block. This information includes the address of a Core validator and the address to obtain the reward in the Core token. So, this delegated hash power helps secure the Core blockchain, and in return, miners earn Core tokens, which are in addition to the rewards they normally earn from Bitcoin mining. This allows Bitcoin miners to directly participate in Core governance and security without incurring additional costs. In delegated proof of stake, Core token holders can participate in network governance by locking their tokens with validators of their choice. In return, they earn rewards in Core tokens. Stake tokens contribute to the overall security of the network and to decision-making processes. And in non-custodial Bitcoin staking, Bitcoin holders can participate in network governance by staking their Bitcoins natively on the Bitcoin network and then delegating them to validators of their choice on the Core network, earning the Core token as a reward. The official account on X already has more than 2 million followers, which shows the community's interest in seeing how the project progresses. So Core offers the ecosystem compatibility with Ethereum smart contracts, offers security backed by the Bitcoin blockchain, and higher speed and lower cost per transaction. Due to its characteristics, Core functions as a Bitcoin sidechain. The second project is BitLayer. BitLayer was launched in 2024 as a Layer 2 solution compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, designed to improve the scalability and functionality of the Bitcoin network. Seeks to offer a secure platform for the development of decentralized applications in the Bitcoin ecosystem. BitLayer uses zero-knowledge rollup technology, the same technology used by Arbitrum and Optimistic to validate Ethereum transactions. Rollups bundle many transactions into a single package and send it to the main blockchain as a single transaction. Transactions are grouped into batches and sent to the Bitcoin layer for verification. The problem is that the scripts in which Bitcoin is programmed make this verification very complex and would take up too much space in the blocks. So to solve this problem, BitLayer in its version number 2 made an update that makes it the first project that uses a paradigm called Bitcoin Virtual Machine. This allows transactions to be processed off-chain using zero-knowledge rollups and optimistic rollups. Let's quickly look at these two concepts so that everything becomes clearer.
Zero-knowledge rollups can prove that all transactions in the package are valid without revealing all the details, increasing user privacy. And optimistic rollups are so called because they assume that all transactions in the package are valid without needing to review them immediately. However, if someone suspects a fraudulent transaction, they can submit a proof of fraud within a specified time frame to prove something is wrong.
This technology leverages the security of the Bitcoin blockchain and does not affect its operation at all. It also does not cause blockchain congestion because calculations and data are kept off the Bitcoin chain. This efficiency in data management automatically translates into very low transaction fees. The ecosystem has gradually grown, and the official X account now has 1 million followers. These two projects are among the most popular, but there are other projects that are also committed to creating a decentralized finance ecosystem with Bitcoin. The question we should ask ourselves here is whether these types of projects will have any future, if they will have mass adoption, and will they manage to convince Bitcoin lovers to support them, or Bitcoin will continue to remain only as a store of value. For me, they have it pretty tough, because Bitcoiners are very radical. Only time will tell us the answers to these questions. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video.